As we look ahead into 2026, Ireland's commercial real estate market is poised for accelerated delivery. This is underpinned by policy reform, targeted funding, and the government's stated aim to restore public and investor confidence in housing and infrastructure. Ireland has appeared in the top 10 location rankings for the first time in the INREV Annual Investor Intention Survey, and this is really a clear signal of growing investor confidence in the Irish market's long-term potential. Recent changes in domestic regulation in the living sector have helped create a more conducive environment for institutional capital. Budget 2026 introduced VAT reductions on new apartments and corporate tax exemptions on cost rental schemes. And these revisions will lower development costs and create the conditions for viable returns for developers and investors. And we're already seeing clients acting on this and acquiring resi development sites which are now meeting viability thresholds. The government's social housing programme should scale up new build delivery, resulting in increased deals involving residential development sites. And we expect to see the Land Development Agency being much more prominent in housing supply in 2026, alongside AHBs, developers and investors. The Accelerating Infrastructure Task Force and the Critical Infrastructure Bill promise to streamline approvals for critical infrastructure projects. This will boost infrastructure delivery and reduce uncertainty and further encourage investment. This will also be aided by the proposed changes to the judicial review legislation aimed at tackling long delays caused by JORs and planning issues. March 2026 will see legislative changes for landlords, large and small, and all landlords will need to be aware of the shifting market and familiarise themselves with the new rights and responsibilities. But overall, 2026 signals a much more predictable and delivery-focused environment for Ireland's commercial real estate sector, albeit with an increased focus on regulation.